let's talk about this, man. There's two ways that when we look at companies that we can understand it's a strong company. There's two ways that we can move around that we can see a strong company. One, we want to see a company that's growing in revenue, strong, but we also want to see a company that's growing in profits, which is the bottom line. Here's what I want you to understand. Pay close attention to me. Just because a company is growing in revenue does not mean they're growing a profit. I want you to think about it like this. Just because you make a lot of money don't mean you keep a lot of money.
That boy is good. Oh, I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money. Bull. I see you shining.
You feel me? That's how the company is. Just because the company is making a lot of money don't mean that they're making a lot of profit. You want to find that balance. So here I give you a list of companies that's making a lot of revenue. Apple, Taiwan Semiconductor, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Nvidia, Tesla. You see this in the tech, you see the profits running. Watch this. Net profit big dogs. Visa, MasterCard, Broadcom, Microsoft, Apple. These are companies that are keeping a lot of money. I see you, Zay. That's right. That's right. That's right. You want to be in companies that are growing their net profit as well as increasing the revenue. This is good. This is one of them nights. Listen, I know we got people on all levels, but tonight I want to just get my people in. I just want to get my people in. This for y'all to welcome home. So we're going to teach our people, man. So I know my trappers, but listen, every week, we giving game, we pouring out game. But every week we got new people coming in, and I need to teach them. I see they coming. Listen, man, this market really prints money for us every day, and we got to be in position. So my goal as the Wall Street Trapper, my goal with this show, Trappin' Tuesdays, Wall Street looks like us now, is to leave no trapper behind. My goal is to help us overcome any type of financial obstacles that's in our way when it comes to building wealth. Whether it's getting dividends, whether it's getting our money to grow in capital gains. I just need us playing a game. I just need us in position. Because when we talking about the risk of generational wealth, everybody in the family might not be an entrepreneur. But if you can teach them how to invest in the market, this got to be part of the blueprint. This got to be part of the game plan. So they can know how to navigate these waters. So they're not panicking when they say it's a recession. Because it's going to come again. The blueprint and everything that you learn in this game is one of the safety nets that you have for your family. When I tell people, I'm mentally unemployable at this point in my life, knock on wood, it's because I know this game. It's because I know this game. It ain't about me running a business. It ain't about me putting a network together. It's because I can go sit at this game. Push kind of shove, I got to do it all over again. Guess what? I'm going to go cut some grass. If I had to go do iron work again, guess what? I don't mind going to sleep on an air mattress again. I don't mind. Because guess what? All I need to save about 5-10 grand. I'm going to go play the game. So as long as I can play the game, I'm good. That's what I want y'all to understand. The risk of generational wealth is because you ain't leaving the next generation enough tools. You ain't putting them in position. You done overcame all the hurdles and now you trying to keep them from overcoming the hurdles. Newsflash, there's going to be hurdles that you got to equip them for, not just with the knowledge, but you got to put them in position even when they don't know what's coming. The risk of generational wealth. Risk, y'all.
What's good, trappers, man? It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Right now, I want to invite you to an amazing experience full of value. That is my community, Trappers Anonymous. It's 100% the greatest fundamental investing community on the market. Listen, your portfolio should be a masterpiece. And the only way we get you there is if we help you to learn how to invest with confidence. Now listen, I get it. Like, you don't know a lot about stocks, or maybe you've heard people say how much money they lost in stocks, but I can guarantee you, one, because they weren't in the community, and two, they lack the information. Our goal in Trappers Anonymous is to help you, really to hold your hand on the journey to becoming a confident investor, learning how to navigate through the different events that the stock market goes through to take you from panic to encouragement. There's no better time than now. This is an opportunity only for those who are willing to be on the journey. So listen, man, click the link below. Come join me in Trappers Anonymous, man. I will see you in one of our many classes, whether it's Moat Monday, whether it's the 2-hour class we do on Sunday, or whether it's just a book club. Everything is geared toward making you a better investor so you can triple your net worth and turn your last name to an asset. It's your boy, Wall Street Trapper. See you in the trap.
All right, man. So listen, we got trappers coming from all different areas, on all different levels. So I told y'all, because I see a lot of trappers coming in, man, listen, this week I won't really focus on getting y'all fundamentally straight. Jose, let's put that free ebook in the chat for them so they can get that. I want y'all to come here and be like, bet. Now here's the thing, y'all. I'm gonna keep it real. Don't just screenshot the information. I need you to look at the information. I need you to read the information. I need you to take it in the information. Don't be a professional note taker. Come here to learn the information that we putting out. So if you're new to the game, this episode is straight for you. I'm taking a guessing out. All right, so right now I'm gonna put y'all on this little pyramid I made up, man. I'm putting y'all on this little pyramid, right? And it's, am I ready to invest? Am I ready to invest? First thing we're gonna do is right here. Do you have steady income? Man, I was on a live with a guy the other day, man, and he was complaining to me because he was like, Trap, I got $6,000. I'm living with my parents. I'm in between jobs. I don't believe that I can do what you doing. I don't believe I can live the way you live. I don't believe I can drive what you drive. I say, first of all, that's not a me problem. That's a you problem. We got to enhance your belief system. Because these people out here printing money every single day, there's nothing that we can't do. But if we don't increase our belief system, we can't do it. So let me say this, y'all. If you're in that building stage, like early in the beginning, before you starting to invest, I need you to just get your feet up under you. Before you start trying to put $1 million in the market, before you trying to put every cent you got in the market, I want you to at least just get your feet up under you. Now, I'm not about to tell you have 6 months of emergency fund and all that. I'm just saying, you know and I know when you got your feet up under you. Right? And then once you get your feet under you somewhat, now let's start putting 20. Like in his case, he didn't need the whole 6,000 in the market because he didn't know where he was getting his next meal from. So he didn't need the whole 6,000 in the market. All right, so let's get that. So my first thing was, and that's what made me come with this, right? Do you have a steady source of income? No. Find you a job or a side hustle, because everybody don't need to be entrepreneurs. All right, so let's start there. So we're going to put money in our investment account weekly. I made this just for y'all. So let's put our money in the account weekly. Next, so we start in the middle. Next, do you have a stash? Okay. Do you have a buffer of cash ready for emergency or short notice needs? Now, we talking about old boy's situation. He had $6,000. He's trying to put the whole $6,000 in the market. Bro, what we all know is life happens. Life gon' life. So if you got all your money in the market, you don't got no wiggle room. You want your money in the market so where you don't never got to pull that out. We're not even talking about the advanced, putting my money in the VOO. We're not talking about the advanced strategies. Some of the problems that we having today, we trying to do advanced strategies, we in the first grade. We trying to do what Trap doing. We trying to do what Warren Buffett doing. We in the first grade. You don't know what a good stock look like yet. You don't know what ETF look like yet. You're trying to trade and you don't even know how to set up my account. Listen, I don't have nothing against my people inside of the Triple Beam team or Masters of the Triple Beam. I love y'all. But some of y'all asking me about the option plays. You like, Trap, how do I do options? I'm going to keep real with you. You should be in the Triple Beam team. This how much it don't matter to me. If you're in a Triple Beam team, you should be focusing more on using the Triple Beam and looking at the companies that I'm showing you than worrying about the option plays. If you're in Masters of the Triple Beam, you need to be focused more on, how do I navigate this Triple Beam? Let me look at the videos and navigate the Triple Beam. Let me look at, let me see the company. Let me see if I can get the numbers close to what Trap got. Let me now go look at the companies that Trap putting in there before you saying, Trap, what's the option plays? Trap, how do I do an option? If you trying to get the option play, you stuck on the shiny object. You got shiny object syndrome. You trying to make the money before you got the mindset. So don't worry about the options. You got time. Trap, I need money now. First of all, you got to get out of that situation. Because if you're in a desperate situation to make money in the market, guess what? You ain't seeing the market clear. The market going to eat you alive, and it's relentless. It don't care. It don't care if your college tuition. It don't care if it's your rent. It don't care if it's going to eat it, and it ain't going to give it back to you if you don't know how to go get it back. Man, that was fire right there. That was fire right there. That was that hard truth that a lot of y'all needed. To see you on Instagram, you on social media, and the people telling you, hey, do this, do that, do this, do that. You can make $1 million, you can do this. Yo, that ain't it. My cousin right here. He said, cuz, I can't wait to get these option plays. I said, you know how to break down a company? Just because you my cousin don't mean I'm going to get it to you easy. You're a representation of me. You really got to get it the hard way. That's my cousin. He like, cuz, here go the money. I got it. I'm like, no. Go get the Wallstreet Trappin codes, cuz. Go learn how to break down a company. Go show me you broke down 10 companies. Because you got me, you can ask me any questions. If you don't know how to do none of this yet, don't even ask me about an option play. We looking to get rich fast. That ain't how we get there. I want to help you build wealth. I ain't the person to teach you how to get rich quick. If you trying to get rich quick, I'm not the person to teach you, fam. I want you to build wealth incrementally so you know how to play the game. So you don't need me. So you rock with me just because, I like Trap. Trap be turning me on. He get on here every week and tell me something new. Not because you need me. I don't want you to need me. I don't want him to need me. So I want us to understand that if you trying to make money fast, I need to make money right now, Trap. Man, go work. Go get a job. Get you a job, get you a side hustle. Cause you trying to make the market do that for you. Don't get me wrong. There's some, what you call them, I forgot what you call them, like some exceptions to the game. They got some people that get in and just catch on it real quick. Boom, game changed for them. Everybody not like that. And I don't want you being in a situation where you need to make money and you losing the last bit of money you have. Cause watch this. When you lose money fast in the market, it can discourage you from playing the game. And when you win money fast in the market, it can fool you into thinking that you're better than what you is. And when you get the two mistaken, this damn market is unforgiving, man. All right, man, so look, I want y'all to know something. All right, so boom, right? Next, have you invested before? Do you know the risk and the details? Do you know what you are doing? Do you know what you are doing? Research or find a coach. I'm here for you every week, right here, Trappin Tuesday. Every week. We got the beginners course, we got Travelers Anonymous, we got the Patreon group. What's it? Drop the Patreon. They're going to be asking, Trap, how do I get the Patreon? Get the Patreon, get Trappers Anonymous. Take the beginner's course. You ain't even got to graduate yet to the Wall Street Trapping course. Take your time before you get there. But look, let's go for that. No, boom, yes, decide on your approach. What platform you want to use? Trap, I use TD Ameritrade. I use E-Trade because they got great customer service. What is your style of investing? Are you a dividend investor? Are you an income investor? Are you an options trader? If you trade in options, are you going day trading? Are you scalping? Are you leap options? What are you doing? What's your time frames? Right? What is your risk profile? How much can you lose? Limits. What's your limits? What's your strengths? What's your weaknesses? Me, I understood that day trading just wasn't my thing. So I started going out 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. Guess what happened? When I understood that was my strength, guess what? I went from a 20, 30% to 86%. Trap, why you not a good day trader? Because I'm not good at just sitting down that long, watching, trying to find the scalps. Man, that ain't my thing. That ain't my thing. What's my thing? Finding great companies that can be movers in the market. What's my thing? Understanding what economic environment we in. What's my thing? Understanding what's the temperature we in. Understanding what companies are moving in which quarter. That's my thing. I got an eye for it. I'm going to just play to my strengths and not my weakness because the game is unforgiving. I'm going to play to my strengths in this game. Boom. My leap options. I'm winning 8 out of 10 of the leap options. I'm not tripping. I'm not, somebody can say, bro, I made $1 million in this first quarter. Cool, I made $115,000 first quarter. Bro, that's good for you, but guess what? That's great for me, because that's $113,000, $14,000 I didn't have. Printing money. And then once you find your strengths, guess what? You can scale easy. All right, let's go a little further, man. Sectors of the market and the assets type. Once we can cover this, man, we ready to go, man. Woo! Let's go. Hey, how we feeling? How we feeling? Let's go, baby.